Hi guys, this is just quick headwrap. So you can see how I twist this thing. Make your measurement 50-50 to pin in that place. Just quick, within 2 minutes you do it. So when you're having any quick outing you are going, so you twist that place to it, then I pin it down. That's how you will do it. You pin it down there. So I pin it down. Then you make your rows. Very simple. Just make your rows. Look at the rows. It's beautiful. So see how I'm turning it. Yes. You don't need to tie it very well. You lose your hand. Yeah. That is just it. That's just it. Alright guys. So that back I want to use pin to pin it down. Okay guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Look at the back here. See the back? See the back. Okay guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my YouTube page.